Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install credit card account access on Bank of America, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Bank of America website. On the home page, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click the Sign In button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your online ID and passcode in the designated fields. If you do not have an account, click on the Enroll link to begin the account creation process. You will be directed to a new page that requires you to provide personal information. Enter your name, social security number, and date of birth as prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the enrollment process. Once your account is set up, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Bank of America homepage. Click the Sign In button again and enter your online ID and passcode. After successfully signing in, locate the Accounts Overview tab on your dashboard. Click on Credit Cards to access your credit card details. If you need to set up online access for a new credit card, click on the Add a Credit Card option. Enter the required information for your credit card, including the card number and expiration date. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and complete the setup. Review your credit card access settings and confirm they are correct. Once confirmed, click Save to finalize the setup. You can now access your credit card account online anytime through the Bank of America website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.